All right, Charlie, where are we headed next?
Next, we're going to head over the Western Plains and listen to the buffalo roam.
Let's
Is
go.
that the kind of answer you're looking for? Or?
Yeah. It is. It's the answer. Well, I'm waiting. Hey, you want to hook me up with a microphone? I'm muted. There we go. That is the answer that I'm going to accept. And so, where are we headed? What's the next song?
It's called Where the Buffalo Roam.
Oh, you're serious? He's serious. All right.
I wouldn't toy with you like that, man.
This is like Lookout Mountain, I-70. They're just roaming right there. You know what I'm saying? All those buffalo.
Yeah.
Good grief.
All right. Good grief is right. It's your house. Send it in.